Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a fun and easy topic: how to add captions to your Facebook profile photo. Captions can give your pictures more personality and context, making them more engaging for your friends and followers. So, if you want to spice up your profile with a creative or personal touch, stick around as we walk you through the updated steps to add a caption to your profile pic. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your Android device. If you don't already have it installed, you can find it in the Google Play Store. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture, which you'll see at the top left of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, tap on your profile picture again. This will bring up a larger view of your photo, allowing you to see it in all its glory. To proceed, tap on See Your Profile Picture to open it fully. Now that you're viewing your profile picture, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots that represent more options. Go ahead and tap on those dots. A menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll want to find and select the option that says Edit Caption. Here comes the fun part. Enter the caption you wish to add. This could be something witty, a sweet quote, or just a few words to describe the moment captured in the photo. Once you've typed in your caption to your liking, don't forget to tap Save Changes to make it official. And there you have it. You've successfully added a caption to your Facebook profile photo. Your friends and followers will now see your new caption, adding more depth to your profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.